Meet Ricky. He was charged with aggravated assault, attempted safecracking, abduction, breaking and entering. What will happen next will surprise you.
Give me 40 years, sir.
Ricky tried to rob local store, but owners seen him just in time and started to fire. He fled the scene but was caught later when admitted himself to hospital due to injuries. Local store owner, after defended his property, called 911 and notified law enforcement. Ricky fled the scene after incident.
911 emergency.
Yeah, this is John's drive-thru, West Main Street. A guy just tried to rob me and I shot him. He ran out the back door.
Okay, is he injured?
I think I hit him.
After Ricky got brought in, he confessed that he tried to rob drive-thru, and we can see that he got shot 3 times.
Tried to rob John's drive-thru. Got shot 3 times. I did the crime, I ain't gonna lie. I just wanted
When he heard his sentence, he proceeded to do unthinkable. Watch closely how he reaches into his arm.
You just give me 40 years, sir. Yes.
At this moment, he reached for pill bottle, filled with feces mixed with urine. He tried to throw this nastiness.
Just gave me 40 years. Well, guess what? Sir, what's this? Yeah,
Additionally, he was charged with 5 counts of harassment with bodily substances, 1 count for his lawyer, and 4 for the poor deputies, as they got exposed to that nastiness. Next convict will surprise you by attitude of his family. This is Shondell Jackson. He is charged with first-degree murder and attempted robbery. He showed no remorse during trial for murdering 21-year-old student in Wisconsin, Milwaukee. He even smiled at the parents of victim.
Looking at us, swearing at us, and smiling.
Parents of the victim asked for maximum sentence in this matter and delivered heart-touching speech to court.
Nothing that can be said to bring back our Nathan. But your sentence can ensure that Shondell does not have the opportunity as a free man to inflict pain like this again.
Ultimately, judge sentenced Jackson to life in prison with no parole. His anger overwhelmed him and he became aggressive and cursed at judge. Officers had to jump in and even pepper spray Jackson to calm him down, but it did not stop there as Jackson's family started shout hate at victim's family as if they were responsible for Jackson's sentence. Victim's parents were shocked with the outburst.
There is some redemption for him at some point, but that's totally up to him. And for his family to say to us, we hate you, what's that all about? We didn't do a thing to him.
If you think laughing in court was crazy, look at next guy who had outburst on judge. Here is Manson Bryant. He was charged with robbery and abduction.
Court determines that you have or will have the ability to pay restitution.
He looks like he accepted it all, but brace yourself, when judge landed sentence of 22 years, he was not ready to accept it.
The verdict was guilty in count 1, aggravated burglary, felony 1, guilty in count 2, aggravated burglary, felony 1, guilty in count 3, aggravated robbery, felony 1, guilty in count 4, felony 1, guilty in count 5, abduction, felony 3, and guilty in count 7, which I renumbered for the jury as count 6. The ability to pay restitution.
Fuck your courtroom, you racist ass bitch! Fuck your courtroom, man! You racist as fuck!
As he was escorted from the room, he continued insulting Judge.
Wait a minute. When I said that you had a certain amount of remorse, I was mistaken. So it's 28 years with credit for 231 days.
I don't want to hear it, man.
Judge added more years to the sentence for his outburst in court and bad attitude.
He seemed so calm and cool and civil until the sentence.
It wasn't on the record, but the last time, as he was walking out of the court, he said, "Suck my dick, Judge."
Some people just need to stay quiet and accept what they got, or they can get agitated and burst out in anger to extend their sentences. For our next interest, this is not the case. This is Dexter Johnson. He is facing charges for murder. This started when Johnson and other four carjacked Maria and her boyfriend. Johnson and his accomplice Keith Ron Fields put victims through nightmare and torture. He was calm until decision was announced.
Capital murder in accordance with the laws of the state of Texas, this court hereby assesses your punishment of death. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this is going to complete your jury service. I'm going to meet you in the jury room.
All rise.
At this point, Johnson lost control and court officers had to restrain him.
Keep it back! Keep it back! Everybody back!
But not only Johnson was shocked about sentence, but his family lost control. Emotions burst out and required medical attention.
But the mayhem spills out into the hallway.
We are at the end of this journey. It would be really appreciated if you would like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.